Welcome to the course on energy conservation and audit. Our topic for today is demand side management. My name is Anurag Roy and I am a lecturer in electrical engineering. My parent institution is Kuch Bihar Polytechnic. Load. Load generally refers to our electrical equipment which are connected to our power system like fan, motor, light, AC that are connected in our system. Management of these above electrical equipments or loads in a suitable manner helps us to limit our peak demand and improve our system reliability, and this is known as load management. Load management is a very important activity as it helps us to limit our peak demand, and it is one of the important activities of our power system in order to limit peak load and peak load losses in transmission and distribution. Peak loads are generally those peak loads we call occur generally from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Load management also helps us to maintain a better voltage level and reliability. Due to the elimination of peak load or due to the reduction of peak load, we also eliminate the requirement of new generating plants. তার ফলে কি হয়, আমাদের যে ইনভেস্টমেন্টটা লাগে in order to set up this new plants also gets reduced. Apart from that, এই প্ল্যান্টগুলোতে যে ল্যান্ড, ওয়াটার রিকোয়ারমেন্টস অ্যান্ড আদার ইনফ্রাস্ট্রাকচার রিকোয়ারমেন্টস যেটা দরকার পড়ে সেটাও আমাদের এলিমিনেট হয়ে যায়, as because we have to limit our peak load. Now, as these plants are generally coal-based power plants and they require coal for their running, because of the elimination of the installation of new generating plants, so our additional requirement of coal to run these power plants also gets reduced. Now, demand side management generally takes place at consumer end. In consumer end কি করি, we generally draw the attention of consumers to cut their power and energy requirements by telling them to switch off their fan and light if they don't require that one, and also asking them to use efficient appliances and equipments which are having higher B rating, which will consume less energy. We also inspire our consumers to shift their load to non-peak periods. By doing those, what we do is that we also limit our peak load. Now, presently, the load management that happens in our country is we generally interrupt a particular set of feeders or particular area for a long duration of time. আর এই জিনিসটা যেটা আমরা করছি, interrupting power to a selected feeders or area for a long duration of time is very harsh. It is not only resented by our consumers, but এটাও আমাদের ইকোনমিক অ্যাক্টিভিটিটাকেও অনেকটাই হ্যাম্পার করে। তো এটার রেমেডি কি? Instead of interrupting power to selected areas and feeders, it is advisable to apply it for the entire distribution network, exempting only essential categories of consumers. Essential categories of consumers bolte hospital, police station, these are generally our essential categories of consumers that has to be exempted from this one, in such a manner that duration of power cut to each consumers is only for a short duration time in rotation. By doing so, what we do is that we also limit our peak demand also, and it also helps the activities of consumer to go on without much hindrance. Other advantage of these measures is that আমাদের সিস্টেম লসেস, আমাদের ভোল্টেজ ড্রপটাও অনেকটাই কমে যায় কনসিডারেবল। ডিমান্ড সাইড ম্যানেজমেন্ট, প্রেজেন্টলি অ্যাব্রডে যে লোড ডিমান্ড সাইড ম্যানেজমেন্টে যেটা এখন করা হয় সেটা হলো দে জেনারেলি ম্যানেজ দেয়ার লোডস উইদাউট রেস্টোরিং টু ইন্টারাপশন অফ পাওয়ার সাপ্লাই। তো তারা কীরকম করে, দে ডু ইট by making use of technical measures, economical measures, and social or regulatory measures. And this way of managing the load is known as demand side management. কিছু কিছু টুলস আমাদের ডিএসএম অফার করে, সেই টুলসগুলো হলো আমাদের প্রাইস কন্ট্রোল, লোড কন্ট্রোল, এনার্জি কনজারভেশন, কনজিউমারদেরকে ইন্সপায়ার করা টু ইউজ এনার্জি এফিশিয়েন্ট ডিভাইসেস, shifting their demands to non-peak periods, and properly educating them, যেমন asking them to not run their greasers during 6 to 10 p.m. এটা হলো হতে পারে। Now demand side management are generally classified into two. One is your induced DSM and one is your imposed DSM. Or one by one we will look into both these DSMs. What is induced DSM? Now induced DSM টা আমাদের দেশে খুব একটা ইউজ হয় না, and if it is used or explored in our country it will give phenomenal results. কিছু DSM program বানানো হয়, and these are generally made in strategic partnership of consumers, utilities, manufacturers, and other trade allies, government, and other agencies generally make this type of DSM programs. What are the strategic elements that are incorporated in DSM programs that are made by these agencies? একটা তো হলো টেকনিক্যাল ইনফরমেশন অ্যান্ড অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্স আমরা প্রোভাইড করি কাস্টমারদেরকে to make them aware where more energy is being consumed, and also offer them remedy. বড় বড় ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে অডিট করা হয় to find out where energy is more being consumed and how best practices can be undertaken to save energy. Financial incentive দেওয়া যেতে পারে if energy is saved. Public recognition of major consumers who have successfully implemented energy saving measures. Other strategic elements that are incorporated in DSM are consumers behavior change kora with respect to energy consumption, like asking them to switch off their fans and light when not in use. Encouragement of technological changes such as substitution of less with more efficient products, asking them to use higher rating ACs, refrigerators in place of old ACs which are consuming more power. Development of more efficient products through modification and innovation by working with groups such as manufacturers and contractors. Working with government agencies to implement energy efficient codes, standards, regulation, and legislation. আমরা কিছু বেনিফিটসও পাই ইনডিউস ডিএসএম থেকে, ইমপ্রুভমেন্ট ইন রিলায়েবিলিটি অ্যান্ড কোয়ালিটি অফ সাপ্লাই, enhancement of system efficiencies due to the reduction of load losses and efficient use of efficient equipments. A big quantum of energy and power will be available to distribute to new consumers that we generally saved by limiting our peak demand or peak load. Due to less peak loads, failure of transmission and distribution equipments are also reduced. Now the next DSM that we generally see is imposed DSM. Imposed DSM includes regular planning, evaluation and implementation of techniques to achieve desired results. Now this DSM can be influenced by seasonal variation of load pattern, reduce the need of for the capital for fuel, reduce electricity cost by efficient loading of existing and planned generating facility, increased operating facility and generating system reliability. The most common techniques available for adoption for DSM are peak clipping, valley filling, load shifting, flexible load shape, voltage control, load staggering and strategic conservation. One by one we will look into it. What is peak clipping? Reduction of load during peak periods is generally applied by controlling the consumer appliances and equipments by the utility. Generally এখন অনেক রিমোট ইকুইপমেন্টস চলে এসছে মার্কেটে, থ্রু হুইচ উই ক্যান কন্ট্রোল the load of consumers. Generally, a receiver installed in consumer premises or at a distribution transformer receives a signal from the utility and disconnects the supply to the consumers or group of consumers, and after a predetermined time supply can be resumed. Now this peak clipping improves the load characteristics of power system by short term disconnection of consumers individually or in selective groups. The next strategic point is our valley filling. The best method to meet system peak is to shift the peaks to non-peak area by making consumers particularly eligible load to work during non-peak period. Another way is to make the big consumers use TOD, time of date metering system during peak periods. In addition to this, to make the domestic consumers to shift their loads to off the peak periods, lower tariff or rebate should be also be given. Load shifting moves load from peak to off-peak periods without the reduction in overload consumption. Typical applications are your storage water heating, storage space heating and cold storage. The idea is to build up storage during off-peak period and utilize it during peak periods. Flexible load shape, কিছু কিছু বড় বড় কনজিউমার্স হয় যাদের সাথে আমরা ন্যাচারালি একটা কন্ট্রাক্টে চাই, in which energy is sold at a very lower cost. So what you can do is that we can ask them, আমরা তাদের কাছে ask করতে পারি that we can cut off your supply at a very short notice. Now this will also help us to reduce our peak demand. Voltage control, যেই সব জায়গাতে ভোল্টেজ লেভেল খুব ভালো হয়, we can reduce our voltage by 1%, and by doing so we can also reduce our system load by 1%, and this will also help us to limit our peak demand. The next point is our load staggering. কিছু কিছু ইন্ডাস্ট্রিজকে আমরা বলতে পারি যে you please observe weekly holidays, or we can also ask the industries to stop working for 3 to 4 hours during peak time. This way we can limit our peak load. Strategic conservation, this involves overall reduction of electricity sales by changing end user consumption. Generally renewable energy resources গুলো ইউজ করাটাই হলো স্ট্র্যাটেজিক কনজারভেশনের মধ্যে পড়ে, যেমন সোলার হিটার্স ইউজ করা in place of geysers, which will help us to save energy. With this, we end our course. Thank you for listening to this course.